In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from an image quickly and easily. To get started, open the tool or platform you're using and make sure you're on the main editing screen. The first thing you need to do is upload your image. You'll usually see an upload area on the screen where you can begin. Click on it if you want to browse your files manually, or simply drag your photo directly into the upload area if that's faster and more convenient for you. Either method works, so just use whichever feels easiest. When choosing your image, it's a good idea to use a clear photo where the subject stands out from the background. This usually helps the background removal tool work more accurately and gives you a cleaner final result. Once the file is uploaded, give it a moment to finish loading completely before moving on. After your image appears in the editor, look for the background remover option. This is the tool that will automatically detect the main subject of your photo and separate it from the background. Go ahead and select background remover to begin the process. Depending on the platform, this option may be listed in the editing tools, adjustments, or quick actions section, so take a second to locate it if needed. Once you select it, the tool will start processing your image. At this point, all you need to do is wait a few seconds. During this time, the system is analyzing the photo and identifying what should stay and what should be removed. In most cases, this happens pretty quickly, but the exact speed can depend on the size and quality of your image. After the processing is complete, you should see a preview of your photo with the background removed. Take a quick look at the result to make sure everything appears the way you want. If the subject looks clean and properly separated, you're ready for the final step. Now, apply the changes. This will confirm the background removal and save the edit within your project or workspace. After that, you can continue editing, place the image onto a new background, or export it for whatever you need next. And that's it. With just a few simple actions, uploading your image, adding your photo, selecting background remover, waiting a few seconds, and applying the changes, you can create a clean cutout in almost no time.